Wireless networking technology. In a wireless networking technology, no wires or physical media is used for connecting computers. It uses electromagnetic waves like infrared, microwave, and radio waves for transmission of the data. The choice of the technology depends on the distance and speed of transmission.
Two common types of wireless technologies are Wi-Fi and Bluetooth.
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless communication technology used for homes, private business LANs, and public hotspots. A Wi-Fi-enabled device such as a PC, video game console, mobile phones, or MP3 player can connect to the internet when it comes within the range of a wireless network. Wi-Fi allows us to deploy local area networks without wires, thus reduces the cost of the network expansion. Bluetooth. Bluetooth is a technology that enables wireless communication between a low power consumption devices within a short range, 1 meter, 10 meters, 100 meters.
It facilitates communication between different devices when they are within a required range. The latest version of Bluetooth, Bluetooth 5.4 technology, provides data transfer speed up to 2 megabits per second.
It provides a way to connect and exchange information between devices such as mobile phones, telephones, laptops, printers, personal computers, GPS receivers, that is, Global Positioning System, through 2.4 GHz short-range radio frequency bandwidth.